In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off sensitive content on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want more control over the media and posts you see on your feed, especially when X hides posts that may contain sensitive material by default. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open X.com or Twitter and you make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. Click More and then from the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls and viewing preferences are located. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll see different categories related to your account and content preferences. Under the Safety category, select Content you see. This is the part that controls what type of media is allowed to appear in your timeline and search results. Now, if you want to turn off the sensitive content filter and allow media that may contain sensitive content to show up, look for the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. To disable the filter, simply uncheck the box next to that option. As soon as you do that, X will stop limiting those posts and media previews based on sensitivity. If you ever want to turn the filter back on later, just come back to the same place and check the box again. It's that easy. This setting gives you more flexibility depending on what kind of content you want to see on your account. And just to be clear, if you are using X on mobile, the steps are very similar, but the menu layout may look slightly different. You'll still need to go into Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Content you see, and finally adjust the sensitive content setting. So whether you want to make X more open or more filtered, now you know exactly where to find the setting. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more social media tutorials, app guides, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.